everybody. It is your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I want to say welcome back to my channel. To all of my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome. I am so glad that you decided to take the time out of your busy day or busy evening to watch my video. So I'm recording this video on New Year's Eve, and I wanted to do a last unboxing of 2025. I wanted to share with you all what I picked up from the Coach Crystal collection. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So as you can probably tell from this box, it's not one of the bigger pieces, but that is on the way. So I wanted to show you this lovely piece that I picked up. It came in this box, and let me just remove the paper. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I was kind of talking about it in the comments with Nothing But Bags, and she talked to me. She said, I think you should at least try getting this swinger bag, which is, here she is, the swinger bag in the Rainbow Crystal collection. She said, at least try the swinger bag. She said, I think you'll find that you like it, because I was going to pass on it. But look at this beauty. You have seen this already by now on Denitra, All the Things I Love channel, Nothing But Bags channel, Mama Ambitions channel, and the Completed Look. Well, I'm not sure if the Completed Look has this, but I do know that she had a piece from the Coach Crystal Kiss line. So this is my swinger bag that I picked up. And let me just take all the things off. I'm so happy. Liz from Nothing But Bags told me, she said, girl, she said, I think that is right. She said, that is right in what you would like. She said, because it has the sparkly crystals on there, and I love me some sparkle and love me some shine. So I decided I would add this to my collection as well. So let's get this. I'm trying to get this off of here. Okay, so here she is. So I'm going to take the stuffing out. And to me, this reminds me of the Nolita 19. This swinger bag reminds me of the Nolita 19. Here's the chain strap that comes with. And I love this. And by now, many of you watching have already seen this unboxing and this swinger bag, but there may be some of my subscribers and viewers that have not seen this, so I want to go through it with them as if they have never seen it. Okay, so let me just attach this chain strap. So here's how it looks with the chain strap attached. And then I love this part right here. I love how the zipper pull, like you can slide it over and then you connect it right here and then with this twist lock. I love that. And this zipper pull is in leather. This leather is so beautiful. I love the shade, this caramel shade of the leather. I love that. Let me see if I can get this out. Okay. So this is how the inside of the swinger bag looks. It has the Coach story patch right there. And then it has the 2 or 3 card slots on the opposite side. And that's the inside of this bag. And the interior, I'm trying to see if the interior is leather. Yeah, the interior is leather on the walls. The walls of the interior are leather, and the floor of the interior is made out of material. So I love this, the swinger bag. And as I said, I love Nolita 19s. So this is very, very nice. A very nice addition to my collection, my crystal lock. Now I do have the large kiss lock in the amber. So I wanted to test this out and see how this looks. And I am loving this. I am absolutely loving this. So the tags, I'll cut those off later, but it has this beautiful leather charm. And then the 2 tags right here. Coach tag. And then this one has it has the other tag that says that. So I love this. This is beautiful. I am so happy that I have added this piece to my collection. And I will be so happy when they come out with the SLGs. The hopefully if they do like a card case or a small wallet or something like that, I would be so happy if they come out with that. So that is, and it does, as you can see, it did come with the dust bag as well. So let's put that to the side. Let's get this box out of the way. And we'll keep this in the frame. And we'll put it right there. Now, I did pick up the shoes. This is how the shoes came in this box right here. And let's open these up. Ta-da! Oh, these are so nice. So beautiful. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, these are so beautiful. I love these. And look, it has Coach on the bottom of the shoe. And then it has the small C's right there. And then on the tip of the shoe, it also has small C's. Look at that. Look at the detail. That is so, so nice. And then it has this on the tongue of the shoe. Has Coach right there, but it does not have Coach on the back. So that's one shoe. Let's get this other one out of here. Oh, this is so nice. So I had to just dip my toe into the crystal collection, and I'm so glad I did. Look at this. So beautiful. And the shoes are perfection. Nothing, no spots on them, no missing crystals whatsoever, just beautiful. So I'm going to hold these up together, and this is how the shoes look. So beautiful. And they are flat, but I've heard people say they are very comfortable. Now, I am so happy that I was able to add these pieces to my collection. I am so happy. So I'll leave the shoes there. Here's the swinger bag. And then I was able to also add this piece. So it's in this little bag here. And as you probably can tell, this is the candy charm. Oh, look how pretty that is. It is so beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love this. Let me cut this tag off. This is just so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. So let me attach it to the bag here and see how it hangs for me. Oh, that is just so pretty. So pretty. Let me see if I attach it to like, let me see if I can attach it to like higher up on the chain, because it does hang a little bit low, so I'm not sure about that. Yeah, see, I like it like that. I just attached it to the bottom part of the chain where the chain connects, and you may or may not, someone may or may not want to wear theirs like that, but I like, because it takes it up a little bit, it doesn't hang as low. So I'm going to just attach this like that. And see, now I'm probably going to take this ring off of it. And this ring, this is so much quality and craftsmanship that went into this, because Coach even put their name on this little round piece right here. So pretty. So yeah, that's what I added to my collection from the rainbow. And I do have one more piece that I will be showing, but that will be, I'll save that piece for tomorrow. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you in the next video. And remember, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. See you in the next one.